Nakakatakot talaga mag-review ng mga product, lalo na po pag hindi FDA approved. So as an affiliate, as a user, as a buyer, ipa-flash ko po dito sa screen yung FDA certified number or certification number ng ating Nestle Cleanse. By the way, this is a product from Nestle. And 10 pieces na po yung laman nito. Kung bloated, constipated ka, pwede mo tong i-try. Again, yung mga product natin is product effect may vary from person to person. So, 10 pieces po ang laman yan per sachet, 250 ml of water. Pag masyadong matamis, dagdag po kayo ng tubig. So, iniinom ko lang to kapag constipated ako. Minsan nga kahit sobrang uhaw na uhaw, lalo na pag tanghaling tapat, tapos kakain ka ng lunch, sinasabay ko na to. Mas masarap siyang inumin or mas okay inumin habang kumakain or after kumain, basta may laman po yung tiyan. Ayan, super sarap nito. Try nyo na. Itas inulin fiber na ang kanyang flavor, cucumber extract and lemon extract with green tea. And of course, make sure na 14 to 15 years old and above bago uminom. I'm not recommended this for lactating, pregnant, mommies. Ayan, yung mga okay lang na uminom, go check out yun na po. Nasa yellow basket.